Dear students, welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we will discuss the topic carbonates, which is present in chapter number 13, named S block and P block elements of grade 12th chemistry book. From this topic, the following short question appear in annual BISC exam 2015. This topic includes introduction, thermal stability of carbonates, thermal stability of bicarbonates, and assignment. Let's start from introduction. Carbonates are the salts of carbonic acids. They are formed by the interaction of positively charged metal ion and oxygen atoms of the carbonate ion. The carbonate ion is the simplest oxocarbon anion. It consists of one carbon atom surrounded by 3 oxygen atoms. Look at the structure of carbonates on this slide, in which the metal ion combines with carbonate ions to form metal carbonate. Most carbonate salts are insoluble in water at standard temperature and pressure, except lithium, sodium, potassium, ammonium, and uranium carbonates. The second part of our today's lecture is thermal stability of carbonates. All carbonates of group 1A and group 2A are stable to heat except carbonate of lithium and beryllium carbonate, because the polarizing power of the cations decrease down the group due to larger ionic radius. Particularly for the tiny lithium and beryllium ions, the polarizing effect reduces the stability of these carbonates. For example, beryllium carbonate and lithium carbonate are quite unstable and decompose on gentle heating. In these two examples, the carbonates are decomposed into their respective oxides and carbon dioxide gas is released. Dear student, keep the following key points in your mind. Thermal or heat stability of carbonates depend on density of cations and atomic radius of cations. Now we are going to discuss that why carbonates of group 1A elements are thermally more stable than those of group 2A elements. The cations of group 1A, due to monopositive charge, have less density and larger atomic radius. Thus, they do not strongly attract the delocalized electrons of carbonate ions. As a result, slight distortion of carbonate ions take place that leads to more thermal stability. Similarly, the cations of group 2A, due to double positive charge, have high density. These cations strongly attracted the delocalized electrons of carbonate ions. Thus, large distortion of carbonate ions leads to least thermal stability and easy decomposition. This is why group 1A carbonates are more stable than group 2A. The next part of our today's lecture is thermal stability of hydrogen carbonates or effect of heat on stability of hydrogen carbonates. On heating, hydrogen carbonates of group 1A and 2A are decomposed into their respective carbonates, carbon dioxide and water. Look at these two examples in which the bicarbonates are converted into carbonates, carbon dioxide and water on heating. The thermal stability of these bicarbonates increase down the group due to increase in size of cations and decrease of charge density. The polarizing power of cation increases as the charge on cation increases and radius of the ion decrease. Small size cations which have greater polarizing power distort the bicarbonate to a large extent, and thus such carbonates can be easily decomposed as compared to large sized cation. That is why the bicarbonates of group 1A are more stable than group 2A. Students, remember, carbonates and bicarbonates of group 1A are more stable than group 2A due to large atomic radius and less polarizing power. Students, let's recapitulate our today's lecture. Thermal stability of carbonates and bicarbonates of group 1A and group 2A depends on size of cations, polarizing power of cations, and density of cations. The last part of our today's lecture is assignment. If you people carefully listen and watched our today's lecture, then this will be very easy for you to solve this assignment. Thank you very much and take care.